Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama. Norma is in the background because she will not nap, but I wanted to come on here really quick to tell you about the new starter kit that Young Living is offering. It's only for a short limited time. You have the whole month of February and you get one extra day this year because of leap year. So it is a little more economical. It is 8 oils, no diffuser, but I am going to send you one from Amazon if you sign up with me. And it comes with a fun little wooden box to display some of them, which I'm really jealous about. This starter kit is $125, whereas the larger kit is $165, so quite a bit of savings. They're calling it the Welcome Home Kit just because of the amazing aromas. So it's gonna get you the 8 oils, a diffuser from me, that wooden box, and then I'm gonna send you a welcome gift, and I'll talk about that at the end. Okay, so the first oil, let's just start with the Big Daddy, in my opinion, frankincense. Frankincense will always be my all-time favorite oil. It is so good. I am big on meditating. I use this every day when I meditate. I just put it directly on my skin, sniff it. I diffuse it almost every day. I use it for skin support often. I love this stuff so much. My all-time favorite. Secondly, you are gonna get Valor. Valor is a lot of people's all-time favorite. Mine is frankincense. Valor is super popular. Now to start, this retails for about $53, and you're getting this plus 7 other oils plus the diffuser from me for $125. So it is such a good deal. Valor is referred to as courage in a bottle, not that kind, the essential oil kind, and it is a blend that people feel feelings of bravery when they apply it. So James, my son, has ADHD and anxiety, and we have a roller blend for him, and Valor is one of the main ingredients. So we roll that on his spine daily, and if he's feeling a little nervous for something, we'll do a little extra TLC with our Valor. It is so good, and I use it as well because I get nervous too. Okay, next we have lavender. Who doesn't love lavender? Most people get into essential oils with lavender. It's just a really common oil, and they fall in love, and then they need all the oils. It is so versatile. It's great for skin support. It's great for calming. It's great for sleep support. I use this multiple times every day. I buy it almost every month. I love it. And I diffuse it a lot. The nice thing about lavender is it blends beautifully with a lot of other oils, so I'll diffuse it on its own or with a partner oil, and it just does so much. It's like the Swiss Army knife of oils. It is pure magic in a bottle. Then we have peppermint. I diffuse peppermint every day, especially in the mornings, especially in my bathroom. I have a new diffuser in my bathroom, and I love in the morning to either do peppermint on its own or blended with a citrus oil, which we're getting to citrus right after peppermint. And it's just so uplifting and so energizing. So I love it for diffusing. I love it for head tension. So you can dilute this in like a coconut oil and apply it to your temples if you have a headache. If you are feeling really hot, like in the summer, you can put some on the back of your neck, and it's crazy how much that cools you down. It's great for allergy support, along with lavender, which you're getting, I just talked about, and lemon, which you're getting as well, sneak peek. And I used it recently to clear up my sinuses. The video on that is on my IGTV section of my Instagram at Take Care Mama. Peppermint does so much. It is amazing. Oh, I also put a drop in my toilet bowls between weekly cleanings. It just helps freshen it up. Okay. As promised, on to citrus. I'm gonna start with lemon. It's just so basic. Now citrus, you're getting the 15 ml with this kit. With the premium starter kit that's more expensive, every single oil is this 5 ml size, but for this special time sensitive offer, you're getting 15 mils of all the citrus oils. So lemon, oh my word, I love, again, diffusing it in the morning. It's February right now. I'm in Minnesota. Snow is behind you. Snow is covering everything, but the hint of spring or the promise of spring is in the air. The days are getting a little longer. The temperature is rising. And I'm in the mood for spring cleaning. And citrus to me is all about spring cleaning. I love diffusing citrus, again in the morning and just this time of year. So lemon is great to diffuse on its own. It blends beautifully. It's great to clean with. I put a drop in my Thieves cleaner, which you should totally add to your order. And it also is great to get like sticky residue off of bottles. If you have a label on a bottle or any kind of product and you take it off, you know how sometimes there's a bunch of sticky gross stuff on it? A drop of this, it rubs right off. It is magic. One thing I almost forgot to mention, I have a night serum that I use on my face. It's basically almond oil and a bunch of essential oils. And I just started adding lemon oil to my serum. Now I do this at nighttime. Citrus oils are photosensitive, so you don't want to put them on your skin and then be outside in the sun. You will get sunburned. If you are old enough to be my age, do you remember in the summer we would put like lemon juice in our hair to highlight it? Same kind of thing. So I just do it at night because by the time it's morning, my skin will be okay. Anyways, I have been doing that to brighten my face. My face gets pretty dull in the winter months, and I've only been doing that for a couple weeks, and I noticed such a difference already. So it's great for skin brightening. Then we have tangerine, but in a 15 ml size. I don't have tangerine in a 15 ml, so lucky you. These next three that I'm gonna show you, I would never have guessed how much I would love the smell. Like tangerine seems so random, but it is a great diffuser. It is great especially to pair with peppermint. It's good diffusing on its own, but with peppermint, so magical. Next is grapefruit, kind of same thing. I love grapefruit. I love to eat grapefruit, but I never knew how much I needed grapefruit essential oil in my diffuser. And I like it on its own. Even grapefruit and lavender, which sounds so weird, is such a fun pair. And your house is gonna smell so inviting. Lastly, we have a 15 ml of lime. This is probably my favorite citrus oil. It's divine. It is divine to diffuse. My favorite thing to diffuse it with is the Thieves essential oil, which doesn't come in this kit, but buying this kit gets you a lifetime discount of 24% off. I would so recommend adding Thieves to your order when you buy this kit, because even though spring is on the way, we are still in the midst of flu season. It is such a bad year. And Thieves gives you all the immunity support. And Thieves paired with lime in the diffuser is magic. Magic, absolutely magic. So those are the 8 oils, 4 of the 5 ml, 4 of the 15 ml, the citrus oils, plus that box to display some of them. Plus, I'm gonna send you a diffuser. If you also enroll into the Essential Rewards program, which I have a whole video about that, I will link above and below. It will cost you nothing to enroll because you're already spending the threshold for this month, and you are saying you will spend about $50 going forward every month on Young Living products. You can cancel at any time. But just for doing that with this order, Young Living is gonna send you a free 15 ml of cedarwood, which I had but Norma lost, which is my second all-time favorite oil. I recommend actually making a sleepy blend with cedarwood and lavender. I use that every night before bed. I actually woke up at 4 in the morning to nurse Norma, and I saw these great new things Young Living offers this month, like this new kit. And I was so excited, I couldn't get back to sleep So I put this all over my body and then fell back asleep. So you'll get that. You will get a $10 credit from Young Living that you can use on a separate order. And from me, I am going to send you, it's not gonna be exactly this, but a fun little travel bag for your purse or wherever that holds essential oils. So there are little pockets in here. Mine holds 6. You zip it up and you always have your oils on you. So let me know if you have any questions. My link will be below. I am here to help you, to hold your hand. So excited for this new kit. And yeah, I'll be there every step of the way with any questions you have, and I'll plug you into our educational groups on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, take care. Bye, guys. You're a stinker. You know that?